Your human body knowledge is impressive if you can answer 20 of these 40 questions correctly. Here we go. Question number 1. What is most harmful to the kidneys? Answer B. Energy drinks. Which doctor cares for women during pregnancy? Answer D. Obstetrician. Which part of the body digests fat? Answer C. Small intestine. Which organ can regenerate itself? Answer A. Liver. Which disease is known as the silent killer? Answer C. Hypertension. If you're enjoying this health challenge, subscribe for more quizzes. Question number 6. Which food improves eyesight? Answer D. Carrot. Which doctor specializes in treating elderly people? Answer A. Geriatrician. Which food is most harmful to liver health? Answer B. Alcohol. What is the study of the heart called? Answer C. Cardiology. Which part of the body breaks down food? Answer A. Stomach. What does the skin protect us from? Answer B. Germs. What harms mental health? Answer D. Drug misuse. What is the average blood volume in an adult? Answer C. 5 liters. Which cells carry oxygen? Answer A, red blood cells. Which fruit helps reduce inflammation in the body? Answer C, berries. What damages teeth? Answer A, candies. Which disease is spread by infected mosquitoes? Answer D, malaria. Which doctor treats bone and joint problems? Answer B, orthopedic surgeon. Which organ produces insulin? Answer D, pancreas. Which bones protect the spinal cord? Answer C, vertebrae. Question number 21. Which organ connects the mouth to the stomach? Answer B, esophagus. Which food can improve heart health? Answer A, fruits. What is the normal human body temperature? Answer D, 37 degrees Celsius. What damages the colon? Answer B, red meat. What is the largest internal organ? Answer D, liver. A lack of which vitamin causes scurvy? Answer C, vitamin C. Which bone protects the brain? Answer A, skull. What is most damaging to eye health? Answer D. Excessive screen time. Which food or drink can increase the risk of diabetes? Answer C. Sugary drinks. Which organ helps maintain the body's fluid balance? Answer A. Kidney. What is a brain doctor called? Answer B. Neurologist. Which vitamin helps with calcium absorption? Answer D. Vitamin D. Which food can harm both vision and hearing? Answer C. Junk food. What part of the body is affected by hepatitis? Answer A. Liver. Which ear part helps control balance? Answer B. Vestibular system. Which bone forms the forehead? Answer D. Frontal bone. Which nerve carries vision signals? Answer C. Optic nerve. Which mineral is essential for making hemoglobin? Answer B. Iron. What prevents backward blood flow inside the heart? Answer A. Valves. What enables smooth joint movement? Answer C. Synovial fluid. Out of these 40 human body questions, how many did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes.